Oh, there's one. Woo, baby!
Going up and down in here.
Oh, there's one. Woo, baby!
Nice.
Out of the water as little as possible. Kind of hard how shallow this is, but he destroyed that thing, dude.
Yeah, he got that quick. Oh, nice release.
Get him some water, let him recover a bit. Yeah, they're definitely up here spawning, man.
Yeah, they're very aggressive right now.
Okay, we're gonna let him go. Nice color on him though. Scratched up pretty good.
Beautiful release. Dead fish.
He's good, bro. Oh, here we go.
Got him?
Yeah. Hey!
Nice, dude.
Dang, bro.
Oh, they're going crazy.
Hold on. That's a strong fish.
Nice.
Gonna let him go. It's like a foot of water, and you just threw an egg, and they just scoop it right off the bottom, dude. We're fishing this really small stream. Michael's on the fly, just letting the eggs float. So they are just going crazy for these eggs right now. These trout are in really shallow water. I'm just letting my egg float down, seeing if they hit it. Oh, there's one. Yep, there we go. Nice. Just quick. Okay, so we got, yeah, there's a bunch hanging out in this little channel right here. Michael's gonna just float an egg and see what happens. There's one, Michael, there's a big one like right there. He looks like he swiped at it. This pocket saw. Oh, that's a big boy, you see him?
I think they all went back down that way now.
Oh, there's some good ones in there.
Yeah, piggies.
Oh, there's piggies. Got that net?
Yep, I got you.
That's a nice looking rainbow too. Color. Nice, dude. Heck yeah.
Good job.
Look, he's got great color on him. Let's try to get this guy back in the water. Yeah, he destroyed that. Let him go. Nice color. He looks really spawned out though. Look how beat up he is.
Get him back in there. He's tired.
Nice, dude. Good stuff. There he is. There he is. Nice. That's a good one. Getting the net. Getting the net. Nice hook. Oh, he came off. That's okay, dude. That was sweet. Hooked one. Michael's on. Michael's on. Yeah. Yeah.
Great job.
Woo!
Good net.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Yeah. One of the weird.
Yeah, he's got some funky markings.
Oh man, this is a weird feeling fish.
Is he squishy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like decomposing, dude.
Look at that.
Wow. Look at that color.
Okay.
Zombie. All right. Yeah, let's get your release.
Look at that.
Wow. Yeah. He's ready to die.
Okay.
He.
Go die.
We don't associate genders. Good catch. There he goes. Ah! Swim! Oh!
See that backflip gainer 360?
That was sick. Come on. No, go. You want to toss the net? You got it.
Oh. Dude, you snagged him. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Nice.
Yeah, he's a nice one.
Oh no, he's got a little yellow spot. You see that?
Where? Oh, yeah.
I thought you snagged him with a bobber or something when I saw that.
No, dude, it was really weird. He was just nibbling it. He kept nibbling it. He wasn't stung.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, he smacked that thing, dude. He was like tap, 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 and then just.
Nice.
It's got good color too. All these rainbows, some of these have like really nice color.
What are you throwing?
Just a classic egg. It's that orange one.
Oh, the one you tied this morning?
Yeah.
Before we came out?
Yeah, oh no. Yeah, the one I tied earlier. Yeah, so this is what we're using. Tied this earlier. It's just like a little orange egg, and the rainbows are destroying them right now. Mostly out of defense, but yeah, these things are great, especially in the spawn. Spawn's hot.
Yeah.
Get a hold in quick drop.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Letting her go. Let's get her back in the water. There he goes. Nice.
Good job.
Come on, dude. Stop. Let's let him go. I didn't have time to net him, but that good color.
Alright. Always graceful, Joe.
The fish we just caught was actually pregnant, and look at what she ended up shooting out of her. Those are her eggs. And this is pretty good match. Pretty good match. That's what she pooped out.
What? Those look exactly like what you're using.
I know.
That's sick.
It's crazy. I like grabbed her and I was like, shoot. As I grabbed it, I was like, damn, she's like pooping eggs out. It's like squishy too. That's crazy, dude.
Huh.
Just got another hit, kind of letting that egg just fall off this little ledge.
Got him, baby. Oh man, these are nice. Got him.